guys for not being regular with the content. I've been out of shape and I was out of town and I was recovering from a bicep injury, so it took me some time to get back into the condition I'm in right now. And I've been getting many requests for the pull-up tutorial. Many of you have been asking for some pull-up tutorial for a long time, and yeah, I just wanted to get that out to you guys as soon as possible. And today with me is my good pal Vipin, and he's new to the calisthenics fam, so I'm going to be teaching him the pull-up tutorial. So even he doesn't know how to do pull-ups, so through him I'm going to be showing you guys how to get to that level where you can also do pull-ups, because pull-up is one of those essential exercises which is going to work on your biceps and your back, and that's going to help you a lot in building up your strength. So the first workout we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on our grip strength. So for our grip strength, we're just going to go on the bar and hang on for as long as possible. I would recommend 10 seconds because 10 seconds is like okay for a beginner, and each day we're going to try to improve it, and we're going to be doing 3 sets. So yeah, I'm going to just show it to you. So yeah, 10 seconds is more than sufficient, and it depends upon you once again. So because each person is different, each person has their own strengths and weaknesses. So if you can do it for 10 seconds, do it for 10 seconds. If it's less, it's fine. There's chance for improvement, so you're going to improve each day and you're going to increase your timing. So the next workout we're going to be doing is the inverted rows, also known as the Australian pull-ups. This is going to help the beginners with building up the strength to do a pull-up, and also going to help you with the technique and building the muscle memory. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a low parallel bar or any low bar. You're going to grab onto it, bend your knees, and you're going to try to do a pull-up like that. So what bending the knees is going to help distribute the weight so that you are not going to lift your entire body weight, but at least half of it. So yeah, I'll just show it to you. Engage with the back, huh? Yeah, this is going to engage your back and it's going to work on your lats too. I'll give it a try. Yeah, try it out. See that position? Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. The goal is to try to get your chest to touch the bar, like how he's doing it. And you're going to try to attempt 10 reps and 3 sets. Again, it depends from person to person. 10 reps is my minimum, and each day you try to improve it, make it 11, 12, 15, 20, and the better you get, the better you're going to get at your pull-ups. So once you're done with the bent knees inverted rows, you're going to keep your legs straight and try the inverted rows. This is going to really help and engage those lats. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. The thing is, it's going to be a little difficult while trying this because more of your body weight is now, you have to pull up more of your body weight right now. So the thing is going to be a little difficult, but try to get in 10 reps and improve it each day. And what you can do is you can mix up the grips. You can try a pull-up grip and you can try a chin-up grip. So this is going to help you, develop that muscle memory and, work on different muscle groups at the same time. So yeah. So we're going to go moving on to the next exercise, which is the negatives. Now for the negatives, you're going to again find a bar that's a little high or to your level. And what you're going to be doing is, you're going to be jumping up, grabbing the bar and lowering yourself down as slow as possible. Take at least 3 seconds to 5 seconds to lower yourself down, and this is again going to help you strengthen your muscles and learn the exercise properly. So what you're going to be doing is, you're going to be jumping up, grabbing the bar and lowering yourself down as slow as possible. The slower you are, the better you're going to get. Jumping up, grabbing it, slowly lowering yourself down. So this is really going to engage your biceps and your back.
Let's jump.
Yeah. Okay. It doesn't matter if you can reach that height or you can use a lower bar. Doesn't really matter. The goal is to try to control the movement, the descent. And again, for this exercise, you can try around 5 reps in 3 sets and try getting better at it. The slower you get, the better your control is.
Oh. See my forearms engaging.
Yeah, that's really going to engage your biceps and your back, and even your forearms too. And last but not the least, we're going to be working on isometric holds. Now, isometric holds are going to strengthen all the weak points in your exercise. So, an isometric hold is nothing but just jumping up, grabbing the bar, and holding on in that position for as long as possible. The longer you hold, the better you're going to get. And this is basically it. So if you practice this almost every day for a week, I guarantee you within a week you'll be able to do 2 to 3 pull-ups easily. And why don't you write in your comments to us. If you have any doubts, send it to us to our email, or you can comment down below. Leave a like, subscribe, and tell us how helpful it was. And if you want any other such videos, do write to us. Peace.